Settings for Halo Infinite, 90 FOV, 1080p resolution. Here are the graphic settings, medium preset, and the rest of the settings. Let's do it. Slayer against us? They don't stand a chance. That was close.
Oh, whoa.
Get the shot.
From behind. Hit him a lot. His teammate's coming,
I got him with the nade. Where is he? He's one shot, bro. Get the camo if you want.
Hit him a lot, nice. I died so bad. I'm going a lot, hit a lot. From mine. I hit them both.
Or both one shot. Oh, he didn't even get it? What a dummy. Alright guys, well, performance for Halo Infinite was great. Obviously the RTX 4060 was at 99% utilization the whole time because the Ryzen 3D. Performance is still really good. Okay, next let's check out Warzone. Settings for Call of Duty Warzone 2, 1080p resolution. Here's the quality settings and the view, 120 FOV. Let's do it. Alright, this is gonna be nothing short of epic. We're about to get most wanted on the crazy building.
No shield.
Behind, he ran up. We're in front of me, bro,
Bruh. On me too. You're jumping down. Good shield, dead. The right shield has saved me. Saved a lot.
Get to the top.
Nice.
Get to the roof. Watch out, motor strike. Get under. Alright, we're gonna get to the roof once this motor strike's over. Follow me, we need to do some jumping through stuff and don't get sniped, okay? Hurry up. I'm gonna stun him. I stunned them.
Where is he? Not
Oh, bro. Please get that kill.
dead.
I got self-res.
Oh, he's on the roof.
I'm putting shots.
Nice.
My bad.
He's on me.
Run away. I'm dead. Run away.
I got him.
Alright, I'm landing.
Oh my goodness. Dead.
I'm getting into zone.
Dead. I killed them both.
That was beautiful, man. Good job.
I have $24,000.
We need to buy just UAVs for both of us. Cart's in zone. Buy a UAV, pop it right in front of us. He's probably gonna go up the stairs. He's right here.
Oh, we pulled zone.
I'm gonna go up. Nice job. Good job. Alright guys. Call of Duty Warzone performs good. Now, our Ryzen 7 is being throttled. As you can see, it's stuck at 91C. The megahertz should be going higher, so it's throttling the megahertz to keep the temperature from not going higher. That tends to happen when you build PCs that are really small. Everything's tight together. Like laptops, right? Gaming laptops, they're always throttling for the most part. But it's okay. The system's still performing really well. Next game.
Settings we're using for Fortnite: full screen, 1080p, VSync is off, we're playing on performance mode, and here are the rest of the settings.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't get the win, but the PC is super good. I got 11 kills, second place. It's pretty good. For this tiny little computer, it performs really amazing. On to the next game.
Settings for Valorant, 1080p resolution, NVIDIA Reflex on plus boost. Here are the graphics quality. Let's do it. Guys, everyone over here. Come on, man. You're leaving your boy hanging.
Bruh.
Oh, nice. Nice flat.
Bruh.
Oh my goodness, what are they doing? What does this mean? What is happening? What just happened?
Huh?
Nice.
Watch this, no scope. No scope. Dude, what are all these abilities, man? Headshot.
He's gonna try to go B. They can't see it coming.
Oh! Ah!
What are you Huh?
Let's go.
Alright, Valorant performance was amazing. No surprise there. Next game. Settings for Apex Legends. 1080p resolution, 110 FOV, reflexes on enable plus boost. Here are the rest of the settings. Let's do it. Another one. Oh, full squad.
Oh yeah, you ready to win, dude? Oh.
Time is up. There's a guy underneath right there. Nice job. Settings for Rainbow Six Siege. 1080p resolution. Max FOV set to 90. Here are the graphics settings. Let's do it.
No, I'm Let's get very back inside with this spot.
Oh no, they got me, guys.
No, sorry. I definitely am.
Oh, he's on stairs, it's Oryx.
Yo. GG.
Ah, here we go again.
Hi, how are you?
Can I help you?
Ruined it. I was already mid-lunge. I've never used the Peruvian operators.
The supernova? Dude, it fucking slaps.
Especially if you Mario Rush.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
the supernova is really good, dude.
Watch this ace. Wow, you guys lied to me. Oh my god! Why would he jump in front of that? Oh. Whoa. Whoa, Sam Fisher. Whoa, that's awesome, dude. Yo, that looks cool. Alright guys, that's a wrap. This PC is sick. I plan to do future videos with it. Thanks for watching and hanging out. I appreciate all you guys' support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.